Okay, y'all, so your girl done made some Cajun ramen, seafood style. I got me some shrimp up in there, baby, and a little egg and a little corn. Let me show you how I did it. So, boom, gotta make that sauce first. These is all the ingredients that I used in my sauce. I also put some onions in there with my unsalted butter. And you can be pretty much heavy-handed with these seasonings, except for that Tony's, because they're not like salt added or anything like that. And you see, I'm going crazy with them. Then I put some minced garlic in there, and I gotta squeeze me some lemon in there. I love my stuff tangy. Get you one of them little contraptions because, baby, that little contraption is going to help you so much when you're trying to get that juice up out that lemon. Stir that stuff on up, baby. Stir it up, stir it up, stir it up. Then I got my eggs over here boiling. Then I got some shrimp that I put in the skillet that I made my butter sauce in, put that no salt added Tony's on them. Then I got my corn boiling. And then check out my shrimp. They looking good, looking great. Oh my God. Then it's time to go ahead and plate it, put it all in there, put them noodles in there, and then just start adding everything on top. Boom.